Hi guys, I've decided I'm going to shorten the spindle on the wood lathe. I'll just taking it out now. It comes out pretty easily once you've released the two grub screws that hold the pulley wheel onto the shaft. It comes out pretty easily. It's the second time it's been out this. So looking at the thread, I think I'll be able to reduce it by about 30 millimeters. I've got two flats that I've ground onto the shaft that mate up with these two grub screws that I've got on this piece. This just acts as a register for the threaded part of the back plate to mate up to. So I think I'll be able to machine this back to about that position. So yes, about 35mm I should be able to take off. So I don't think that's going to make a great deal of difference, but can't do any harm. Now the threaded part of the shaft will go into one of my collets for the collet chuck on the Holbrook. So the plan is, this is a section that's coming off. The plan is I'm going to mount this threaded part into one of the collets and then put a live centre in at this end. Reduce this section down to that depth, to the outside diameter. I've got the lathe set up at the moment for the correct thread. It's a 3.5 metric pitch, so that's set up to go. So if I just reduce that section down by 35mm, extend that thread and then cut the 35mm off this end. Well, that's the setup, guys. I've got the one end in the collet chuck and I'm just about on the limit lengthwise. I've got the opposite end on a live centre and I've got some indicators on. This section is showing 3000 out, but at the point where the bearing seats, that's just showing 1000. So I don't think there's any problems with that, so I'm going to call that good. Right. The other day when I was turning internal thread, I was getting quite a lot of deflection on the cutter, and I had to make a couple of passes to bring it down to the right depth of thread. So what I've done, I've had this tool post for quite a while now, and I have used it in the past as a rear mounted tool post when I've been parting off. So what I've done, I've mounted that back onto the cross slide and put the tool post onto that. So I think that'll take any deflection out that was being caused by the compound slide. So I'm going to start taking this section back 35mm and down to this level, and then that should be the correct outside diameter then for the thread. So everything's locked down now. Okay guys, I'm just going to cut some relief into this section just for the threading tool to clear the threads before I bring it back for the second pass.
You'll see the line that's drawn between good and bad. See the blind man shooting at the world, bullets flying, taking toll. If you've been bad, oh Lord, I bet you have, and you've not been hit by a flying lead. You better close your eyes, bow your head, wait for the ricochet. a blind man shooting at the world, bullets flying, taking toll. If you've been bad, Lord, I bet you have, and you've not been here by flying lead. You'd better close your eyes. Bow your head. Wait for the
Marky got with Sharon, and Sharon got Sharia. She was sharing Sharon's outlook on the topic of disease. Mikey had a facial scar and Bobby was a racist. They were all in love with dying, they were doing it in Texas. Tommy played piano like a kid out in the rain, and then he lost his leg in Dallas. He was dancing with the train. They were all in love with dying, they were drinking from a fountain that was pouring like an avalanche coming down the mountain.
I don't mind the sun sometimes, the images it shows. I can taste you on my lips and smell you in my clothes. Cinnamon and sugar and softly spoken lies. You never know just how to look through other people's
pursuit and fiery auto crashes. Some will die in hot pursuit while sifting through my ashes. Some will fall in love with life and drink it from a fountain that is pouring like an avalanche coming down the mountain.
I don't mind the sun sometimes, the images it shows. I can taste you on my lips and smell you in my clothes. Cinnamon and sugary and softly spoken lies. You never know just how you look through other people's eyes.
Another Mikey took a knife while arguing in traffic. Flipper died a natural death, he caught a nasty virus. Then there was the ever-present football player rapist. They were all in love with dying, they were doing it in Texas. Ollie caught a bullet, but it only hit his leg. Well, it should have been a better shot, got him in the head. They were all in love with dying, they were drinking from a fountain that was pouring like an avalanche coming down the mountain.
I don't mind the sun sometimes, the images it shows. I can taste you on my